Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Today, I will be unboxing and sharing my first impressions of the newly launched Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2-inch. It comes with a fast refresh rate flexible OLED display, excellent productivity features, a super slim design, fast charging, and much more. Hey guys, it's Mikey from TechMakey. Please consider subscribing and turning on notifications by hitting the bell icon for more great tech videos. Let's start with the unboxing. Here is the white-colored box of the Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2-inch. When we open the box, the first thing we see is a familiar microfiber polishing cloth. Next, there's a 100-watt dual-port charger with both Type A and Type C ports. You also get a Type A to Type C data cable. And here is the MatePad Pro 13.2. The screen is quite large, and for the first time it features a flexible OLED display. This display can be used even in bright light, offering a great viewing experience. As you can see, there is a lot of light here, and you're probably noticing a lot of reflection on the tablet. But as soon as the screen turns on, the viewing experience is really good. The visibility is clear, and you don't have to change the angle of the tablet to see the screen properly. This tablet has two main features: the Harmony OS Next system and a high screen-to-body ratio. The screen-to-body ratio is much higher compared to the previous generation, and it looks almost identical. But if you look closely, you'll notice the bezels on all four sides of the screen are the same size, giving it a uniform bezel design. This means the viewing experience will be amazing. The system has a 3:2 aspect ratio, and the screen resolution is 2.8K. Now, if we look at the back of the tablet, the color is familiar, and it's a gold color. It also uses a silk wave process for a smooth finish. This time, there are some changes in the camera module design. It looks similar to the Huawei Mate 70, and the design is inspired by the Mate series. Compared to the previous generation, the thickness and weight have been reduced even further. The weight is around 580 grams, and the thickness is just 5.5 millimeters. So friends, how do you like the first look of the MatePad Pro 13.2? Let me know in the comments. As for the other features, this time the power button also has the fingerprint sensor integrated. This time, to add your fingerprint, you don't need to touch the sensor multiple times. You just need to rotate your finger, and it will easily register your fingerprint. You can unlock the tablet with just one touch. As for the operating system, it comes with Harmony OS Next, which has many features that improve productivity. I'll share a few of these features with you. First, you can see the regular tablet interface here. When you swipe down from the right, you'll see the control center. Here you can turn on the multi-window feature. Visually, there isn't much change, but as soon as you open an app, it will appear in its own window. You can also drag this small window around. This means you can open multiple apps at once, and each will appear in a separate window, giving you a PC-like experience. You can open up to 4 windows at a time. You can also increase or decrease the size of the application window. If you make it smaller, it can look like a mobile interface, and you can make it even smaller and turn it into a square window. You can also drag it horizontally, which will change the entire row and column. You can also switch it to the normal full-screen view. If you drag the window upwards, it will turn into a full-screen mode. Now, if you double-click the status bar, the window will return to the small size. If you drag from the bottom, you'll see all the active windows, meaning all the active apps. If you turn off the multi-window feature, the tablet will return to normal mode. So you can use this tablet in a very productive way, just like a PC. Also, for the MatePad Pro 13.2, you'll get keyboard and stylus accessories. The price of the Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2 starts at 5,199 Chinese yuan for the base variant in China, £570 in the UK, and $717 in the USA. So, what do you think about the MatePad Pro 13.2? Let your thoughts in the comments below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Also, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and keep smiling. I'll see you in the next one.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness. Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that